y'all, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of an order that I placed with Wholesale Supplies Plus. I'm sorry for the quality of this video as far as lighting goes and sound. You probably can hear baby sitting in his swing right now. I'm just filming in a different spot because of my usual spot. I have a just poured soap sitting there, so I'd rather not move it. So we're recording over here right now, and you're actually seeing this video on a Saturday instead of a Wednesday, and that is because I wanted to have a Christmas soap video published on Christmas Day. So it kind of works out that we're just swapping this video for this Saturday video. Alright. Right here. Alright. So, first up we have sodium hydroxide flakes. Alright. I ordered 8 pounds of this. I am always running out, and there's tons of new designs and techniques that I want to try come the new year. So I needed to make sure I had plenty of this. Usually I only keep like 4 pounds of this on hand, so here's 8 pounds. I think that should last me a little while. And then the next item I have is fine Dead Sea salt, and I actually needed this for a custom order. I'm doing a body scrub for someone. Now, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I do take custom orders for things that I don't keep in stock. Like, I did have sugar scrub cubes and things like that, but there's not enough of a demand that I keep it in stock. So, instead, for things like scrubs, I can take custom orders for. So, but anyway, so that's what this is for. I'm going to make a body scrub, and I'm also going to use this with it. Let's see if I can cut this open. And this is the Crafter's Choice Exotic Coconut Fragrance Oil. And this is actually like a Bath and Body Works dupe. I'm not sure what the dupe, what it is for. Let's see. Oops. Unstick this a little bit. Give it a sniff test. Oh, yes. That smells just like coconut. Perfect. That is exactly what I needed. Awesome. And it contains vanilla, and which shouldn't matter in our, shouldn't discolor our body scrub anyways. And then, because it's not an emulsified scrub either, the flash point is 200. Alright, so that's our unboxing for today. I figured I'd do a quick video and show you what I got. I love getting orders in. They're so much fun. You know, it's one thing to order them, and then when they get here, it's like, oh yay, it's Christmas! Even if it's a small order such as this one. So, but it just means I get to make more soap. Lord knows I like to make soap. Alright guys, so I'm going to let y'all go. I'm not for sure if this video is before or after Christmas, but regardless, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are having a blessed holiday. And until next time, we'll see you later.